In a cave in the woods in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on.
Okay, I'm just getting a little bit
An
closer.
itty-bitty mouse pitter-patters
Put the
tiptoe,
mouse in.
creep crawls in the cave from the bluff cold snow. Pitter-patter in, little mouse.
Just put it.
Mouse squeaks, too damp, too deep, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Come on in, hare. Hop in the cave.
I got started.
Oh, Mouse says, "Hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts. Badger says with a grin, "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on.
You're hitting it.
Bear should be laid down.
Really, just produce it. Why is there any mess ups in the
A
video?
gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Here they come. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear